Today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial.
I have a palette of eyeshadows, blush, and lip gloss. I'm going to start with using a little bit of lotion for my base of my eyeshadow so that my eyeshadow stays longer.
And just leave it up there. If you have an eyeshadow base, it's even better, but any lotion works just as well. So apply that to your highlights. Okay.
Today I'm going to use a gold eyeshadow and a purple eyeshadow. Sticker off these things. Oh, it stuck my name on that. Okay. I'm going to start with the gold. And I'm using, there's multiple different kinds of gold. But I'm using a light gold.
I'm just going to apply that first.
And now I'm going to put the light purple
on the edge of it. Just like so. So you have half gold, half purple, and then the purple's kind of mixed with the gold. Now I'm going to put mascara on. Gotta always open your mouth. It's on my face.
and I'm going to use a light pink lip gloss. I prefer lighter colors than darker colors. And that's all for my makeup video.
Have a good day.